Hi everyone, it's me Zarina, your friend from Malaysia. How are you doing? I hope you are doing great practicing the phrases that I have taught so far. After all the greetings that we have practiced, it is now the time to move on to another part of the conversation. Today, I will be teaching you on how to ask for someone's general condition. It is normal to ask this to anyone, even if that person is a stranger. But don't walk around repeating these phrases to just about anyone on the streets, okay? Whenever you greet someone with good morning or good afternoon or similar greetings, it is a norm to ask about someone's general condition of the day. Normally, in English, we will say, "How are you?" Well, in Malay, we would equally say, "Apa kabar?" Again, this phrase is a combination of two words which has its individual meanings. Let's start to know them, shall we? Apa means what? Kabar means news. Off we go to the manner of pronouncing apa kabar. Apa kabar. A is pronounced as A in amor in Spanish. This is because English speakers tend to pronounce A differently than in Malay. If you learn Spanish, you will find that many pronunciations in Spanish are quite similar in Malay language. Pa as in papa. Notice that I did say as per, not pa. In this case, it is more similar to the situation of pronouncing per as in person in English. Ka can be pronounced as ka, dropping the H or silencing the H. There is no hard sound in Malay language as in khota or khe pronounced in Spanish. While ba, you can pronounce it as ba in Baba Black Sheep song. You may remove the R sound here. It is more natural not to pronounce the R letter at all. Although the word khabar itself is originated from the word khabar in Arabic, however, the pronunciation of khabar in Malay is not as hard as in Arabic. For your information, there are many words in Malay that are from Arabic language origin. Allow me to pronounce apa kabar a few times, okay? Repeat after me. Apa kabar? Apa kabar? Apa kabar? Apa kabar? This time, I will combine the phrase that we have learned before in Unit 1 and the other units as well. Do you still remember what we have learned before? Yes, the first unit, it is Selamat pagi. Selamat pagi. Apa kabar? Selamat tengah hari. Apa kabar? Selamat petang. Apa kabar? What is the reply for apa kabar? It is kabar baik. It means I am fine or I am well or I am good. There are a few versions of the answer for apa kabar. Kabar baik. Baik-baik. Okey je. Bolehlah. Alhamdulillah. Tak sihat sangat. Biasa-biasa je. Well, this might be too advanced for some of you out there. But remember that to speak like the natives, you need to nail these phrases down to understand them like locals. I will say them again and will wait a few seconds so you may repeat them with me. Kabar baik. Baik-baik. Okey je. Bolehlah. Bolehlah. Alhamdulillah. Tak sihat sangat. Biasa-biasa je. After the other person has replied your apa khabar, then you may continue with your needs or requests. For example, Selamat pagi, selamat pagi. Apa khabar? Khabar baik. Say your needs or request. Or, Selamat pagi. Apa khabar? Selamat pagi, khabar baik. Say your needs or request. How is the lesson today? It is easy, right? Want to practice speaking Malay language? The easiest way is to get someone native to the language to assist you. If you are interested, you may contact me on Preply for an hour lesson to practice speaking Malay and to improve your pronunciation. Okay then, I hope that this lesson serves you well. Good luck!